Withdrawing money from your Revolut account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen to view your balance and available funds. Step 3. Select Withdraw. Look for the Withdraw option, usually located near your account balance. Tap on it to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you want to withdraw and review the transaction details. Once everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal to complete the process. After following these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.